I'm Scott with Everactive Schools, and this is DPA Everyday. Today is Fundamental Movement Skills Friday, and I'd like to start by introducing you to this free downloadable poster, My Skills, from Everactive Schools and our close partners, the Be Fit for Life Network. There are 3 categories of skills on this poster: stability, locomotion, and object manipulation, with a whole bunch of different ways that you can move in any activity. This is a great place to start for daily physical activity, and I would challenge you to pick a couple skills from each column and make your own game. As for today, we're going to play a game that's also been created by our 2 organizations that uses all the skills on these posters, and it's called Lucky 7's. When we talk about DPA every day and DPA any which way, we're of course talking by challenge by choice. So depending on the space that you've got to play, the number of players, you can modify the rules accordingly. And depending on the equipment you've got, you could attach a different fundamental movement skill to each of the suits of a regular deck of cards. So we'd love to see some of your variations. Make sure you tag at EveractiveAB, and for this one at BFFL Network, at BeFit for Life Network. We would love to see what you've done. All right, so here's a game of Lucky 7's for 1, but you can totally modify this. Go 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, whatever works for your situation. Do it safely and make sure everybody can participate. So I'm going to start drawing cards from each of the 3 decks, and they're not lucky clubs. As soon as I've added them up to 17, call lucky clubs, and that round will end. Ready? Here we go. First card, Healthy Hearts. It's a hop. So that's up and down on 1 foot, and I've got to do 3. 3 on each foot. Next card, Tree Balance out of Stability Spades. That's a 7, our total's 10, we're getting there. I'm going to hold this for 7 seconds. Come up onto 1 foot, to the tree. Okay, let's go to Dynamic Diamonds. Look at that, a 5. We're getting closer. Skier jumps, one of my favorites. A jump over and back across the line 5 times. Two. That takes us to 17, but first we've got to do our side shuffle, side to side. This is Healthy Hearts. That means we call lucky clubs. And check out which one happened to be right at the top. You've earned it. Thanks for joining us for Fundamental Movement Skills Friday. Check back in for more ways to play Lucky 7's and all other ways to DPA every day.